Are you tired of writing content that never ranks? Learn how to optimize your text in under 3 minutes with SEMrush's SEO Writing Assistant. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up the tool, enter your text and keywords, and get actionable recommendations to boost your SEO. First, head over to the SEO Writing Assistant tool. Then click on SEO Writing Assistant to open it up. Now click Analyze My Text. Here, you can adjust text formatting, like headings, bold, italic, and add links. Type your text into the main editor area. Then, enter your target keywords. Next, click on Target Audience. Select United States Desktop as your target location and device. Finally, click Get Recommendations to see your content score and suggestions. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.